morning guys, how are you doing? I hope that you are doing well. Welcome to this video. Today is on 16th of May and tomorrow is my birthday, you guys. It's my birthday and we are traveling for my birthday, so that is what I want to do with you. I want us to get ready together and travel together with you guys, but before then I want to clean the kitchen. That is part of getting ready because I don't want to come to the kitchen smelling full and all that. So I want to clean the kitchen, but before I do that I want to remove these nails. They are still intact, by the way, in case you are wondering why I want to remove them. I don't feel comfortable wearing nails. If you know me, I am usually not comfortable. So I want to remove the nails, clean the kitchen, and then I will put the other pack. Because the nails comes as a set of 24 nails and I have only used 10. So I have 14 left. And for me to do it quickly, I will remove these ones, clean the kitchen, and then I will install the other ones for traveling and all that. So let's do that, guys. Fresh set of nails and it's looking all cute, and I am wearing this fedora hat, these earrings that I got from Dubois the other day, a leather jacket, a black top, black jeans and white sport shoes. I will show you my outfit later, but for now let's get moving. Guys, our cab is here, so we load it and then we hit the road. Our first stop is in Pharma Plus because I want to get sunscreen, and this one is the one that I have gotten. I have settled on Malibu spray sunscreen. We are still on the road, but currently we are near the airport because we are already on Mombasa Road, so I will notify you when we get to the airport. Yay guys, we are finally at the airport. Now we head to the domestic flights section and I will see you when we get there. We are currently in the shuttle that is transferring us to the plane that we will travel. We are getting ready to fly and girl, I am scared. It's my first time and I don't know how to feel about it. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed. I will share my first time experience with you. Also, if you have ever flown before, kindly share how your first time was. And if not, let's know on the comment section below what you would love to
cabin for departure. Please ensure that your hand luggage is stored in the overhead boxes or under the seat in front of you. Please note that the jumbo jet cabin is a smoke-free environment and the lavatory has been fitted with a smoke detector. curb the spread of COVID-19 as per the Ministry of Health protocol. It is mandatory for all passengers to wear their masks at all times, regardless.
Guys, our flight has already taken off, and it turns out that the flight isn't as scary as I thought. It's actually enjoyable. I have loved the experience. I'm still loving it. The only scary bit for me was the takeoff, but it wasn't as scary. In a rate of 1 to 10, I would actually rate it a 2. And also, guys, you might think that I'm alone, but I am not. I am with Habi. Habi, say hi.
Hi.
Guys, on every flight there is this form with all the safety measures that you are supposed to apply in order to have a safe and a comfortable flight. And I think it comes in handy for people who are flying for the first time like me. And also, guys, the flight has this flippable table that you can use to place your drinks, use for maybe when you are writing something and all that. And we were also made to fill some emergency forms, so in case of emergencies your families or friends will be notified. Guys, it's currently 1:19 and we are supposed to land at 1:40, and I will see you at Ukunda when we land.
Naichukua.
So the demands for reflection areas coming to open the overhead beams.
We have arrived and we are going for lunch before we can check in the room, and of course I'm going to be showing you what we will be having, and I'm also going to be showing you the room. And also it's raining yani hii mvua imegoja tu tufike ndio ianze kunyesha, so I will see you later. I don't want them. Hello, we are finally in the room. We have been checked in, and before we came here we were from lunch, and I loved their food. Their food was amazing, by the way, and their mbuzi was the real deal. I would have that every day, any day. Babe, what did you love about their food?
Mbuzi, of course.
Mbuzi
and the fish.
And the fish, yeah, and the fish was nice. The fish was awesome, and this room looks really nice. Really nice. We are going to have fun in this place, you guys. And just look at my face. It's sweaty and it's raining. That is how hot this place is compared to Nairobi, especially now that Nairobi is gloomy and raining and all that. And guys, the reason for starting this video is to show you how this room looks. So let's do that. So guys, this is our room. Babe, say hi.
Hi.
And that is the balcony right over there. And then there are some arts over there. Here is the bed. We have this bench over here. We have the office space there. We have the TV. And I love this area. I really do love this area. You can totally work from here. And we have these coffee supplies. We have the mini fridge over there. Then on this side, we have the closet over here. We have not settled in yet, haven't even unpacked. So we have that, and we have another mini closet in here. And then on this side we have the washroom, but before that we have this rack over here. Then we have the washroom. There it is. We have the sink, some towels which are not so white. Actually, they are not white. I love white towels in hotels because then I can know they are totally clean, but they are clean, of course. We have the bathroom area over here and the towels that are not white, but that is not a problem. We have the shower, and we have this mirror over here. We have the tissues. We have, what is this? This is shower cup. So I don't think they are soap, so we will have to ask for that because I didn't pack. We have that is water, and then shower gel. Of course, I packed mine, shampoo and a shower gel, another shower gel. So that is it, guys. And then let me take you to the balcony. We have the balcony over here. So that is it, and the doors are sliding doors that we have been taught to close because monkeys. We have that chair and a table and another chair over here, and this is the view from the balcony. We don't have the ocean view. The ocean is right over there. I'm sure you can't see that, but that is the view. Yeah, that is the view. So I want that is basically our room that I love, 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 love. We are going to be there for 3 or 4 days, yeah, and I want to unpack and settle in before I can take a shower because I really need to, and I want to do that with you guys. So let's unpack. Look at this. This is why you should pack your hats and your clothes correctly, because I think this one got a little bit of a pencil over here, and I don't know whether my cellar water is going to take it off, but it's okay. I will see you later. Si mbaya, na taste tu nazi tu.